And we're back with another graphics card teardown. This is a 9800 GTX Plus. This is a card I actually wanted in my collection for a while, and we're going to do a teardown about it today. So, to start us off, we will need a smaller size Phillips head screwdriver, a regular size, this is my comedic sized one, and that's really about it. So, here we go. Start us off. We're going to go on the back, and we need to take out all of these screws. There's a lot, ain't there? And these. And for reference, your fan connector is right here. So be aware of that when you take this PCB off. You should have a magnetic parts tray for your screws so you don't lose them or differentiate them. You could have, like, iFixit sells these really cool, like, dry erase magnetic boards that I'd really love to get one someday. Alright, now that those are out, I gotta take these out. Whoops. There's 3 other screws that you have to take out. And 2 of them are right here, and use your big screwdriver for them. And the other one, oops, wrong side, is right here. So always make sure you're aware of that. Take out the one right here first. Actually, for that one, you need one of these. You need the smaller one. That off to the side. These I really don't. Oh, these you don't actually have to use your big comedic one for. Or maybe you do. These are really loose. Somebody's been in this card before. It was not me. So now, being mind of your fan connector right here, you can go ahead and take this off. Wow, this is a really dusty card. And that's how you take that off. Jeez. Okay. Alright, so now that we have taken that off, we can set that off to the side. And in order to take apart this cooler, you need to take out this screw, that screw, that screw, and that screw. Oh, I probably wasn't showing it, my bad. That one, that one, that one, and that one. And that should take it out. And if you want to tear it down further, you can actually take out the fan by taking off the 3 screws underneath here. And taking out the fan, from that, you can take off the screws here and here. They're in between the little fan blades. And that's how you take apart that card. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate the views and such. Sorry, I'm getting hungry. Haven't really had a lot to eat today. Anyways, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, ding-dong notification bell. I hope this helps somebody, and check out my channel for more teardowns and more interesting videos than just teardowns. You guys have a great day.